cracked open, and justice was on a timer.
Boss, it's gonna blow.
Careful, Pip. One wrong step and we're chicken nuggets.
Not so fast, you feathered fiend.
Walk, walk, walk! Why do beams always B-R-E-A-K?
Justice doesn't wait for steady ground.
When the grain falls, so will your justice.
Boss, we've got less than a minute.
Pip's fumble, Cluckles strike. The grain was safe. The farm still stood. Justice holds, even when the sky falls.
Boss.
Another case solved, but the next clue is just around the corner.